Hello and welcome back to Pueblo Programming. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Python lists. First off, a list is basically a method of storing a sequence of variables separated by commas. It can also be a sequence of integers, floats, booleans, or strings. And they operate just like a variable, and you just have to instantiate them just like a variable, which would be the list name, whatever you want to call it, equals, and in brackets, your list, which would be items, which are variables separated by commas between them, and up to an indefinite number of different variables. Let's look at some list examples. So right here we have a list of just integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inside brackets. So that would be a list of 5 items, of which all 5 items are integers. Down here we have a list of size 3 with 3 items. Inside brackets we have strings of 1, 2, and 3. Here we have a list of 4 Boolean values, true, false, false, true. And down here we have a list of 2 items with 1.00, 2.00 separated by commas, and as you can see, these are floats. So let's take a quick look at how a list functions on the terminal. Here we are at the prompt, Python, to access Python, and let's instantiate a list. We'll call it list, and we'll set it equal to bracket, open bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, end bracket, enter. So we have our list. These are the values we are storing inside of the list. And if we were to use the command len to tell us how long a list is, it's going to give us, parentheses list, it's going to give us 4 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 items inside this list. So this is why we see 4 down here, as it is 4 items long. Likewise, if we were to say list bracket 2 bracket enter, we see 3 because it tells us the item here that corresponds to 2. Essentially 0, 1, and 2 would bring us to 3. Remember that Python is a zero-based programming language, meaning that it starts at 0. So when you have list 0, it's going to give us 1 in the list, because that 0 will be the first number. Likewise, if you do list 1, it won't give you the first, but rather the second number, which would be 2 in this case. So that's a quick introduction to what a list is and how it functions and how you can read different items depending on the order inside of a list. Stay tuned for more videos and tutorials on Python and other programming languages, and thank you for watching.